such a pleasure and honor to have you at the 28th Energy Technology Meet. And you have taken, I think, the initiative to really put this all together along with the rest of your team at BPCL. Being the Director of Marketing, I think you've had a big sort of role to play in bringing this together. Tell us a little about the highlights of today's event.
Thank you, Annie. I think this is really one of those events which showcases knowledge.
Yeah.
And this is a beautiful confluence of technology and innovation.
Right.
And these events are one of those events where you can come back, you can come here, and when you go back with a wealth of knowledge and learning.
Absolutely.
And I think today's sessions were wonderful, and I think undoubtedly the highlight was we had a session with the Honorable Minister.
Yes.
And he spoke. He's covered the entire canvas.
Okay.
and it was so proud. One felt proud listening to him, because that's what India is.
Yeah.
India is poised to be already the powerhouse, but India, and he used the word leapfrog, but I think we are just going to leapfrog in the area of energy. So that was a great session. Super takeaways, and one of the things that gave a lot of confidence, I would imagine, to the audience is that this whole discussion about energy transition,
Right.
What's going to happen to fossil and non-fossil,
Correct.
that endless debate. I think it put everything to rest.
Right.
Because India was growing at 7.8% is
Correct.
what the GDP growth was in the last quarter. You need energy. You need energy to drive that growth.
Yes.
And the energy itself can become cleaner.
Yes.
Energy itself can assume diverse form factors. But you cannot say that I will not work with conventional energy.
Right.
Because one cannot, you need speed.
Yes.
And that the way the world is moving and the way India is moving, we need speed in
Yes.
execution, we need speed in industrialization,
Right.
we need speed in development, and energy comes into play for everything. So that was wonderful, and some of the knowledge sessions that were there spoke about how do you deploy the latest technology.
Right.
How do you make sure that you indigenize that? That's
Yes.
very important.
Yes. Yes.
And that is in the true spirit of Atmanirbhar Bharat.
Yeah.
When you make something and you make something which is the best.
Yeah. And also sustainable.
And also sustainable. So I think that's one area where I think we are poised to exploit the massive talent that's there.
Correct.
Correct. There's no dearth of talent which is willing to be the best.
Yes.
Globally.
Yes.
So events like this, and tomorrow and day after, and if one went around the exhibition, you will see how innovation now is being done with application in mind.
Yes.
It is not
So
about
true.
just modeling it, but it's the whole purpose is that you make something where you can have a definite commercialization future to it. So that's so I think that's the beauty of the energy technology meet, and I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it because the wealth of learnings.
Absolutely. I think this day, at least to begin with, the very first day has been enough to give everybody a sense of not only confidence but also inspiration that there is so much potential that India has already shown and still continues to show. The drive and the sort of momentum that we have is not going down. And with meets like ETM, I think it's only getting better.
Absolutely.
So thank you so much for that. Mr. Subhankar Sen, Director Marketing of BPCL, with us at the ETM.